Hello friends, in the last 3 videos we have seen as to what is the fundamental rights, how is the judiciary, how is the court system, what are the other features which are there in the constitution of Serbia. In this video we will see certain highlighted features which are there from our previous 3 videos. Like there are certain rights which are very important and which shows the attention given by the government towards the citizen, like right to marriage, then there is right to judicial protection. At the same time, any kind of inciting of racial, ethnic and religious hatred is prohibited. Freedom to procreate, freedom of expressing national affiliation. One more is an arrested person, he has a right to remain silent. Citizens have right of referendum. If a person is physically disabled, he should not have any kind of a direct or indirect discrimination, that is again prohibited. Another unique feature is citizens have right to address international institutions to protect their rights and freedoms mentioned in the Constitution of Serbia. Cloning of human beings is prohibited. It is also said in certain cases it is considered as a forced labor. What is that? Sexual or financial exploitation of a person in unfavorable position, that is considered as deemed to be the forced labor. Interpreters on free basis are given to a person who does not understand the official language in the court. Extramarital community shall be equal with the marriage institutions. Now, as far as the citizens are concerned, various rights are given to them to put forth their voice. 30,000 voters have right to propose law. 1 lakh and more voters have right to ask for national referendum on important issues. 1,50,000 voters have right to propose amendment to the constitution. So these are some important rights which are given to the citizens of the Republic of Serbia. Now there is a body called civic defender. Now this particular civic defender is a person who protects the rights, monitors as to whether there is not any infringement, violation of the fundamental rights, freedoms and liberties which are given to the citizens of Republic of Serbia as per the constitution. So friends, this was the small glimpses as regards the constitution of Serbia. We feel you would have been happy in watching this. We are thankful to you for giving your valuable time in watching this particular video. Thank you. Namaste.